let's go ahead and load up the bike rentals data, make a copy. So save a copy in Drive. And the first thing we're going to do is check about the null values in the numerical columns. Okay, so I'm going to call this prep data for ML. You can say prep bike rentals data for ML. I'll just say prep ML at the front here. And let's go ahead and run the code. That way our data frame df has been defined, which is essential to move forward. And then we can get really everything we need from this df.info. Okay, so when you run df.info, it's gonna give us the column types. And here we see column types. And it's gonna give us the non-null values. Now we see there are 731 rows, and each column has 731 non-null values. So the null values have been cleared here. However, this object is a problem because we also need all numerical columns. And they are in fact all numerical except for this one date day column, which we are going to get rid of in preparation for machine learning. And so there are different ways you can do that. I will also say before getting rid of it, I mean, it's in this case, right, the year, the month, you know, everything, the valuable information has been converted out of this column. So we're not really losing anything by getting rid of it at this point. And so it's not going to work for machine learning. It'll cause models to break. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete it using delete df. It's DTE DAY. There it is. You can usually find it in there. And then I want to go ahead and verify that it's been deleted by looking at the top of the data frame again. And you can see that it's good. And at this point, you know, we've reached a nice point. It depends on like where you're at with your data, that the data is all numerical with non-null values.